Hey there, fellow social media enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a hot topic for you, temporarily deactivating your Instagram account. Maybe you need a break, want to focus on other things, or just want some privacy. We've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about why you might want to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Life can get a bit overwhelming with all those likes and follows, right? Sometimes we need a break to recharge. Now, the how. We'll walk you through the steps. Open your Instagram app, go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, and then temporarily disable my account. It's that simple. Here's the interesting part. You can choose how long you want your break to be. A few days, a week, or more. It's your call. And remember, it's temporary. So you can always come back when you're ready. We asked our viewers why they've temporarily deactivated their accounts, and we've got some interesting answers. Some people do it for mental health, others for exam preparation, and some just want to be more present in the real world. Before you hit that deactivate button, make sure you save your favorite photos, download your data, and share your contact info with trusted friends. It's all about being prepared. The moment you've all been waiting for, how to reactivate your account. Simply log back in, and voila, your Instagram is back. So there you have it. The ultimate guide to temporarily deactivating your Instagram account. Whether it's for a breather, a digital detox, or any other reason, you now know how to do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends who might need a little Instagram break too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, and remember, it's okay to step back from the virtual world and focus on the real one. See you soon.